I actually had my clinic, which is an acupuncture a restorative acupuncture clinic. We used to have a medical team that did these injections in the knees, right? And they were based off the rooster's comb. They weren't restorative. I thought they were restorative, right? But they weren't. And so what would happen is they would we had to do like these injections, and it would create space in between the knees. And that would allow people to go play tennis, play golf, play basketball, run and stuff, right? But the problem is it would only last maybe 6 months, maybe 2 years. The person that got the best results was 2 years, and they would have to come back and redo it again. But the next time they did those injections, right, the relief lasted less and less and less. So it was not restorative, and that's why I stopped doing those things. This is full transparency. When you listen to this podcast, there's no filter. I'm telling you all the mistakes I made in the past. It's all transparent. So we did that. I did that. I brought that into my practice thinking that it was going to help produce restorative effects, and it didn't. So I got rid of it because it wasn't restorative. People were it was just a replacement, right? I'm not saying those things are bad. I'm just saying our focus for our clinic was restorative.